So currently, I'm on my Wix website, and as you can see, I'm using English language at the moment. And then to change it, you want to go to your Wix dashboard. And then here at the Wix dashboard, you want to look to your left side of your screen, and then click on the settings. On the settings, you want to scroll down until general. And then on the general, you want to click on language and region. Just click on it. And here at the site language, you can just change your own site language by clicking on it and then choose any language that you desired. So for example, I want to change it to the Japanese version. Just click on Japanese. And then don't forget to click save at the top right of your screen. And there you go. But keep in mind, when you change your site language, it doesn't change all of your content to another language at once. So as Wix states that to translate your content to another language, you need to use on Wix Multilingual. To do it, I'll leave the link in the comment section if you want to change your content to another language. So be sure to check it out. And then here at my Wix site preview, as you can see, only a small part of my Wix site are changing to the Japanese version. Here at the very top of my screen, or right here at the header of the post, and then some of the other part of my website. So it doesn't change the content that I previously created before. And that's how to change website default language on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.